Hello everyone, this is Moyon here and welcome back to my channel. And today we guys are gonna learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. If you guys are interested, please continue to listen it. Okay, first of all, what is noun? Noun is the name of everything. Noun is the name of everything, like pencils, marina, turkey. If you want to learn more about nouns, you can watch my previous video too, because where I mentioned like nouns and every single thing. Okay, and today's our topic is actually countable nouns. Countable nouns. Today our topic is countable noun and uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. So today's our topic is countable noun and uncountable noun. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns is something that you can count. Okay? Countable nouns is something you can count. Okay? For example, a pencil. You can count a pencil. You can count a pencil because it's already mentioned a pencil. So you can count. It's countable. Okay. Number 2 is chairs. You can count chairs like in the classroom, in the shop. You can count easily chairs. So chairs is also a countable noun. 5 computers. 5 computers. 5 computers are countable nouns because you can count it easily. 5 computers is all mentioned, so it's a countable noun. Now uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns is something that you cannot count. Simply, uncountable nouns are the words that you cannot count. For example, sugar. Can you count sugar? No, you cannot count sugar. You don't say like a cup of sugar. You don't say a sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar. No, at all. You cannot say like that. You can say a cup of sugar, 2 cup of sugar, a spoon of sugar, 5 spoons of sugar. But you cannot say that a sugar and 2 sugar, 3 sugar at all. Definitely, it's like no. So that's why it's uncountable noun. Number 2 is water. Can you count water? No, you cannot count water. Water is uncountable noun because you cannot say a water, 2 water, 3 water, 4 water. No, no way, no, not at all. You can say a glass of water, a cup of water. Okay, so water is uncountable noun. Number 3, oil. Can you count oil? No, you cannot count oil because oil is uncountable. You cannot say oil, 2 oil, 3 oil, 4 oil at all. No, no way. So oil is uncountable noun because you can say like a cup of oil, 2 cup of oil, 3 cup of oil. But you cannot say a cup of oil. You cannot say oil, 2 oil, 3 oil. Okay, so it's uncountable noun. Okay. I'm gonna write here some words. So what you need to do is to pause the video and find out which words are countable nouns and which words are not countable nouns. Okay, which words are uncountable nouns. So okay. So number 1 is chocolate. Number 2 is umbrella. Number 3 is money. Okay, so can you count chocolate? No, chocolate is uncountable noun because you cannot count chocolate. So chocolate is, you cannot count chocolate. You can say like a packet of chocolate, but you cannot say a chocolate, 2 chocolate, 3 chocolate. So chocolate is uncountable noun. Chocolate is uncountable noun. Number 2 is umbrella. Yes, you can count umbrella, so it's a countable noun. Okay, money. Can you count money? No, you cannot count money. You cannot count money. You don't count money. You can count. You do count bucks, cents and like rupees, but you cannot say like count. You cannot count like money. Okay, so it's uncountable. So it's uncountable noun. So it's an uncountable. It's an uncountable noun. So chocolate is uncountable noun. Umbrella is countable nouns. Money is uncountable noun. So that's all for today. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment section below. And thanks for watching it. Bye for now.